Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna start off with my hair. I'm not gonna keep this on forever, so I am just going to respray it down like on the flaps, and that's gonna be it. Underneath my wig, I put on my wig cap, and then I laid my edges down with this. So now I'm gonna get into applying. I'm just gonna pull this back, and we're gonna get started. I'm just gonna take some alcohol and a cotton round and clean up any excess oils on my hairline or around my hairline. All right, so I'm just gonna take the freeze spray and start applying it where I wanna lay the wig. Then I'm just gonna take a Q-tip and some alcohol and just clean up the excess, like where I don't want it, because it's gonna dry and it's gonna dry pretty sticky and shiny, so we're just gonna clean it up. Then I'm gonna take my blow dryer and just dry it down. I'm gonna do one more layer. And then apply. And then this side is down for now. And now I'm gonna do this side. Okay, so now I'm just going to tie down the edge or my edges and then just let it do its thing while I finish the rest of my hair. Okay, so now that we're waiting for this to set, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair. I usually wear this hair straight because it looks so cute straight. But since it's my birthday, I'm going to do some flat iron curls because I love those so much. So let me go ahead and put on some heat protectant. I'm gonna go ahead and use this heat protectant here. Okay guys, so I'm finished curling it. I'll go back to it later. I'm gonna like comb it out later, like after I'm done with my makeup. But anyways, we're gonna get into our makeup, and I am going to be doing I think I'm gonna do some pink because the past few makeup looks I've done on my channel have been like blue looks or like neutral. So it's my birthday, so I'm gonna do pink. I'm thinking like different shades of pink and like a half glitter crease or like something like that. We'll figure it out. But yeah, so as you guys can see, I already did my eyebrows. Did that before I even did my hair. So now I'm going to prime my eyes. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to be talking through this. I might say a little bit here and there. I don't know. We'll see. So anyways, I'm going to be using my LA Pro Conceal in the color Fawn and just applying this all over my eyelid and blending it out. Okay, so now I'm going to take some of my Airspun powder and just apply that all over my lid just to set this concealer. Okay, so I'm going to take this 10 color blush palette by BH Cosmetics, and then I'm going to take this color here and just start applying that to my crease. Well, maybe it's like a little bit above my crease. So yeah, I don't really think I have too much to talk about, but it's my birthday. Well, my birthday weekend. I'm not doing too much this year for obvious reasons. One, because of Corona. Unfortunately, she is still here 8 months later, and that's just that on that. But I don't know if it's just Corona or just that I just don't really feel like doing too much this year. I don't really care to. I'm just happy to be spending time with my family. Usually I would like to go out and party and just have my friends around and like have this epic birthday, but I will say my last 2 birthdays have been pretty good. I'm turning 26, which is cool, but it's not like one of those major birthdays. Like, you know, you turn 18, that's major, 21, 25, 30, you know, like it's nothing like that. It's just like in between, so it's cool. But I am going to be going out to eat, and I'm gonna just have like a little virtual turn up with my friends. So that's gonna be a nice little experience. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with this color here and like really put that in my crease. Yeah, but we're gonna do that. So I'm excited to do that this weekend. I'm excited for everything that's going on, really. Yeah, 25 was like literally not what I expected at all. I spoke a lot about this year in my last video, like how this year was trash and like I feel like Corona, you know, ruined my year. I don't know if it was just COVID once again. We're just gonna keep on bringing her up because she's annoying. I feel like I had a lot of time to reflect and figure myself out, reset boundaries, reset expectations, reset standards, like not things that I want in my life as far as like friends, relationships. This is what I have been doing this year, and I'm just hoping to go into 26 and flourish. Like, I feel like this is my last year being broke. I feel like I said that last year, like this is supposed to be it, but COVID got in the way. So for real this time, 2020 is my last year being broke. I really want to start doing things differently. I've been trying to challenge myself as far as like money goes, as far as I feel like I've been tested over the past few years to see what I would do with the opportunities that I've been given, and I feel like every time I do better and better. So I really want to be able to show that I have learned some lessons, and yeah, I really want to show that I've learned some lessons and like really get the chance to do better with my blessings. So next year I really plan to be in a completely different place. So now I'm going to go into the 88 Cool palette, and I think I'm going to take this color here and like deepen my crease. Definitely plan on being in a completely different place in so many ways. I want to for sure launch my business, hopefully at the beginning of the year, because it's been too long and I need to get that source of income, that dream going. I don't want anything else to stop that. I want to start, you know, going so that I can live out my dreams and reach all my goals and everything that I want to do as far as that goes. So that is one thing I'm looking forward to. I'm looking forward to paying off a lot of debt, like really putting a dent in like lowering my credit usage and paying off a lot of things just so I don't like owe anybody money, because that's getting kind of tired and I don't really want to do that anymore. Truthfully, honestly, I think I want to put this pink all over, well, like in the outer corner. So like crease and outer corner, crease and outer corner. So that same pink that I just used, I'm just gonna put it in the crease and then outer corner. Yeah, but those are like some of my plans for 26. Those are some things I really want to get going. Yeah, I really don't think I want to talk too much. I think I'm just gonna do my makeup. Probably should have like wrote some stuff down to talk about instead of just like trying to, you know, go off the top of my head, because then I'm just like, you know, talking in circles or not really saying anything. And I think that's where we're at right now. So we're just gonna do the makeup. So yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna use this pink, and I'm deepening my crease with it and then putting on my outer corner. I'm gonna go back in with that lighter pink and put this a little bit higher up. Okay, so let's get into cutting our crease. I'm going to cut my crease in my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee this time. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease really quick. I'm just only gonna do like a half one, and that's where the glitter is going to go. And then I'm just going to lightly set this concealer with my Airspun powder again. All right, so I'm gonna add some more of that pink. I really don't know how much glitter I want to use. I guess I'm just gonna do like this whole section that I just, you know, outline. Hopefully it doesn't look crazy. So the glitter that I'm going to use is this glitter by e.l.f. And it is this silver glitter, which I think is gonna be so cute. This is like my first time really using the glitter. I feel like I've tried it, like practice using glitter, but on a serious note, I've never used any. So I'm going to be using this glitter primer by Rude. Okay, so I'm gonna get to applying the glitter primer. I'm just gonna put that all over that section that I carved out. Okay, so now that this is on, I'm just going to go back in with that pink and start blending things together. Okay, so now I'm going to go into adding my lashes and my liner. I'm going to do that off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now my lashes are on. I used the Ellie lashes by Lurella. And now I'm going to get into the face now that my eyes are done for now. So we're going to get into priming. So I'm going to start off by priming with the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. And I'm putting this on first just for like texture, just to smooth any fine lines, pores, and all of that. And then I'm going to use the FENTY primer. Okay, so now I'm going to use my favorite foundation, which is the NARS Soft Matte Foundation. Now I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the color C12. And now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer in the color Deep Chestnut. I'm just going to add a little bit of that to the middle of my face just to brighten it up just a little bit more. I'm going to use the Fenty matchstick in the color Espresso. Alright, so now I'm going to set my face. I'm going to set my face using the Beauty Bakerie Flower in the color Plantain. And then I'm going to add this soft focus finishing powder in the color Creamy Bronze. Right now I'm going to go into my bronzer, which was going to be my Fenty Beauty bronzer in Mocha Mami, and just add that to the places that I contour. So now I'm going to go into blush. I'm going to be using the Sir Heron blush palette by Juvia's Place. And I'm going to use this orange color here. Now I'm going to take my Really Broken and Janky highlighter by Makeup Revolution, the strobe highlighter in the color Gold Addict. Okay, so I'm just gonna add some translucent powder to my brows because they are kind of shiny right now. I want them to stay matte. So just some Airspun translucent powder. So let's go back to the eyes really quick. I'm just gonna take that pink that I used earlier, like around my crease and outer corner, and I'm just going to place that underneath, like, you know, on my lower lash line, just to pretty much give it, like, you know, finish it all up. And I'm just going to add my mascara. Okay, so now I'm gonna spray my face. I'm gonna be using my Beauty Bakerie setting spray. Okay, so now we're gonna go into lips, and of course I want to do my brown liner and nude lip gloss. I know it's pretty basic and I do it all the time, but I mean I could do like a lipstick, like a pink lipstick, but I'm going to do my nude lip gloss because I think it's gonna look so cute. And we already have enough going on with the eyes and the face. So I'm gonna do my brown lip liner and my nude lip gloss in Taupe by Forever 21. Okay, so let's check on our wig now that it has been sitting. Okay guys, so this is the finished look here. I guess I'll just show you guys my makeup. So I think I look like I'm 26. I think I'm given grown. I don't know, but this is cute. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my outfit, and then that will be it. But yeah, ain't this cute? Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I was in a rush this day, so I did not get time to show you guys my outfit, but everything that I'm wearing will be linked down below. Here are just some pictures of me on the night of my outfit and everything. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.